Maybe you're just having a difficult time achieving a certain skill. So I just want to go over some of that stuff with you guys. Number one, it kind of sounds cliche, but don't compare yourself to others. Comparison is the thief of joy. I had to overcome that myself. When I was looking at other people's work over the last few years, I would always wonder, you know, if I would ever achieve that, if I would ever get that skill of producing really realistic artwork. It was something I struggled with for years, and I really wish that I wouldn't have wasted so much time doing that. Number three is to try out different medias. You may want to rotate and swap around medias that you use. You could be just kind of, what do they call that? Burnt out with a certain media. Maybe you just need a fresh spin on things, and you'll be able to experiment with different materials, different colors, different paper even. You might want to start branching out and drawing other subjects. You might get bored, so if you're really looking for a way to overcome art block, try and explore other things to draw or other things to create. You never know what you'll like. I never thought that I would like resin, but a few years ago I started working with it and I really enjoyed doing that. So outside of drawing with colored pencil, I also work with epoxy resin.